Trevor, the truth is, I think I want a divorce. You see, the other day that we came by for the weekend, as I said to you, he was supposed to be there, but just not working out.
So, things really not getting any better between you and him?
I think you're more interested in Paulette.
It's a shame. A lovely woman like you and your husband is not giving you the attention you need.
Trevor, your mouth sweet, you see?
It can be sweeter only if you taste it.
Trevor, stop it. Listen, tell you what. You help me save some more souls, and I'll think about it.
Nicey, I don't think I want to do that again, It's best you go to some of them uptown places. No more Garrison.
But Trevor, that is where the Lord is leading me.
You try make him lead you somewhere else.
Speaking of different places, where you know Sister J from?
Well, she's just a friend of a friend. Yes, a friend introduced me to her, but when I found out that she was dealing in marijuana, I had to leave.
A friend of a friend. You're a very smart man. I like that.
I like that you like it.
Trevor, let me ask you something. That place that you have in Yorkton there, you don't want someone to help you manage it?
Well, let me tell you this. So right now, the business is just picking up. And as soon as things get better, I'll make you my personal manager.
I like the sound of that.
Sounds great, don't it?
It sure does. Just a minute.
Sister Nicey, Pastor want you to come up on the new place, where the church I go there.
Really? And for what reason is that?
Possibly leading the church choir.
And you're okay with that?
No, but that pastor say,
So, let me ask you something. You and the other choir members going to be there?
No, just your pastor.
What you say? Me and Pastor? Okay, I'll definitely be there in a jiffy.
Okay.
Make I tell you something, you see, Trevor. You see, in this life, you have to learn to put your foot down. I go and get rid of all scammers, weed sellers out of that church.
Just like how I would have liked to get my leg down.
What you say, Trevor?
I just said just like how I want to get the Lord in my soul.
Trevor, I will help you.
I'm sure you will.